Hello dear students, let's start a new topic. Laboratory preparation of copper sulfate pentahydrate CuSO4.5H2. It is also called the blue vitriol. Now this topic from chapter 3 of class 10th in subject chemistry. Let's open your book of chemistry and come on the page number 56. Now, the laboratory preparation of copper sulfate blue vitriol CuSO4.5H2. Copper sulfate blue vitriol prepared by the decomposition reaction. Now, the principle behind this is when we can take in the insoluble hydroxide of copper or copper oxide or copper carbonate and react with the dilute acid, then it produce the copper sulfate, and after crystallization it form the blue vitriol CuSO4.5H2. Here CO3 reacts with the H2SO4, they form the CuSO4 plus CO2 plus H2. Now CuSO4 again crystallize with the H2O, then it forms the blue vitriol CuSO4.5H2. So in this methods we can apply the decomposition methods, decompose the CuSO4. So here the decomposition of CuSO4 taken place, so it is called the decomposition methods. Now what is the procedure? Let's come on the page number 56 of your book. This is the page number 56. Top of the 56. Laboratory preparation of hydrated copper sulfates. First, we taken the dilute H2SO4 in a beaker, and that beaker kept on the wire gauge and heated the dilute H2SO4 by the help of burner, and added the cupric oxide or cupric hydroxide or cupric copper carbonate, any one, cupric oxide or cupric hydroxide or copper carbonates, any one at one time we can add in the dilute H2SO4, one dilute H2SO4, and added the cupric oxides of any one till no more of it dissolve in the H2SO4, and stirring the solutions by the help of the glass rod. Now after adding the cupric oxide into the H2SO4 dilute H2SO4, then it forms, they both combine to each other and forms the copper sulfate. Then we using the filter paper and filtrate this the product which obtained by the reaction of copper oxide and H2SO4 in the beaker. Filter this product and collect the filtrate in a clean beaker. In the clean beaker, the filtrate contain the copper sulfate solutions, and the residue which left in the filter paper will reject it. Then take in this filtrate copper sulfate solution into a china dish or evaporating dish, add into the evaporating dish and heat the china dish or evaporating dish by the help of the burners. After heating, the evaporation will start and the copper sulfate solutions reach at their saturation state. saturation stage. When the copper sulfate solution reach at their saturation state, then we switch off the burners and filter out the copper sulfate. After cooling, the filter out the copper sulfate .5H2O crystals. That crystal is called the blue vitriol because their color is the blue. So through this process we can get the copper sulfate pentahydrate crystal. First, the reaction between H2SO4 and CuO, then filter out and obtain the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution then evaporating. When the copper sulfate solution reach at their saturation states, then filter out and obtain the crystal of the copper sulfate .5H2O after cooling. So by decomposition process we can obtain the copper sulfate solution. Other salts which can also be prepared by this method, such as zinc sulfate, magnesium sulfate, lead nitrate and calcium chloride etc., can also be prepared by these methods through this process. Okay, thank you.